So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the page size here in Inkscape. So when you open up Inkscape, you guys have your background, which for me is red, and I made my page light blue, and it's all looks the exact same. But if you wanted to change this to a specific dimension, or you want to make it, landscape or whatever the case may be, it works the same way. Go to the top left and press on File, then go down to where it says Document Properties. Once you guys are on this page right here, it's pretty self-explanatory. I want you guys to go to where it says format right here, and you can go ahead and change the format. So I'll just go ahead and do this quick to show you guys what it looks like. So you can go ahead and do US legal if you wanted to change that, or you can change this to, I don't know, A4, or you can go ahead and change this to, I don't know, whatever you're looking for, right? A bunch of different dimensions right here that you can actually go ahead and select. Now, if you want to customize it, for example, you can do that as well. You can go ahead and make the height smaller, which I will do right now. You can go ahead and make the width larger, which you can do. Whatever the case may be, it is completely up to you. So I'll just go ahead and do this quickly. I'll exit out of here, and now I've changed my page size into this custom one. So once again, go back to the top, File, Document Properties, and on this page right here where it says Front, you can go ahead and play with it yourself. You can change the orientation, whatever the case may be. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.